friends, we are going to do a fun product review today. Well, I hope it's going to be fun. It is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Powder, and I have so many questions about this product. It was a very confusing one, but before we get into that, if you wouldn't mind, hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell next to it for notifications. That way you never miss an upload. And if you love this video, which I think you will, give it a thumbs up. Okay, so let's just get into it. And please excuse like the craziness that's happening with my hair today. She's having a wild hair day and I can't tame her, but whatevs. So this is the IT Bye Bye Foundation Powder. Full coverage skin loving powder with 3D skin flex technology. All those words there I love. I love, skin loving. I love 3D skin flex technology. Like many of us, I've got little creases and wrinkles. And so one of the things that I really love about IT Cosmetics is that all of their products, they've got like really good ingredients in them. Hopefully things that will not irritate your skin, which I'm really needing today. I've got a whole different skin routine that I've been doing. That's really like made my skin feel a little bit raw. But anyways, they've got really good ingredients in their products. Everything has got a really good SPF. This is one of my favorites. It's their Bye Bye Foundation. That one has got an SPF of 50. This stuff does not say that it has an SPF, but I believe that this powder is supposed to be layered with this foundation, or yes, this one says it's a foundation. The other ones say that they're CC creams. Here's where I get confused. So it says it's a foundation powder. However, when I go on their website, it is under the powder foundation section. And that's where I get really confused because I was like, is it a foundation? Is it a powder? Is it, and if you're like, I'm literally just like scrolling on my computer here, or is it like a setting powder? I'm super confused. I watched the video that they had online and it talks about how you're supposed to use these two products in conjunction with each other. But like a lot of the comments talk about just using this alone. In a different video I did, I reviewed this IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation, which is a powder foundation. So like, I'm freaking confused. We're gonna try it regardless. And I feel like I'm gonna do it two different ways to just sort of really give you a sense for how this product works, how it performs, and maybe some different ways that you can wear it, because honestly, it's quite confusing. Not a lot of people like to wear. I'm just gonna crack this open here. Okay. What does she like? Okay. What color do I have? I've got light medium. And when we crack her open, I can figure this out. There we go. Got a little mirror here, which is nice. There we go. I'm just gonna like dab my finger into it. So it feels just like a powder. Ooh, it's got some coverage to it. It certainly has some coverage to it. Okay, let's read a little bit more up on it. Okay, it has been created with their 3D Skin Flex technology. Bye Bye Foundation Powder gives smooth, flexible, pure color pigments that float over lines and wrinkles. I like that. And feel like nothing on your skin, but cover everything without creasing or cracking. Yes, we do not want creases or cracks or anything. This all-day finishing powder also features 7 key fermented ingredients plus botanical extracts and antioxidants. All right. When applied on top of your favorite color-infused skincare products. Okay, that's a little bit confusing. Color-infused skincare products, that could be like a BB cream. It could be just like a tinted moisturizer, or it could be, their Bye Bye Foundation or their CC cream. It truly helps you say bye-bye to traditional foundation. So again, when I read this, I'm like, it sounds amazing, but then I'm like, is it a foundation? Is it a replacement for a foundation? Is it supposed to work in conjunction with it? I get the sense that like with most products, you can use it a lot of different ways. So I think what I'm gonna do half of my face. We'll do this side that has got the Bye Bye Foundation, and then we'll put the powder the powder foundation on top of it. And then the other side, we're just gonna use the powdery stuff and we'll see what happens. So right now what I'm wearing, I don't have a ton of stuff on my face, but I've got a little bit. So I did use the Bye Bye Under Eye like I always do. If you look at my other videos, I've got it right here. Love that product. Amazing, worth the money. I do have a very light amount of eyeliner and some mascara. I recently discovered a new mascara at the drugstore. I'll link it below. I freaking love it. Gives you like those thin little wispy lashes, but it's not like super heavy and clumpy. And then I do have a little bit of a lip balm on, but that's it. And then we're just gonna do some of the playing with the foundation. We'll put on a little bit of blush and then we'll see how it wears. First things first. The It Bye Bye Foundation, SPF 50. The color I am using is medium. I just do a little bit on my hand here, and I like to apply this with a foundation brush. I just sort of dab around, and we're only going to put it on this half of the face. And I'm pretty, I don't know, I was not like liberal, but like I'm not very precise with the where it needs to go and like, you know, just put it on. Just put it on your face. This is one of my favorite foundations. It's actually, I would say, medium to full coverage. I really like it. Swirl where you have larger pores. It will coat them, fill them in, make them less noticeable. Versus if you just skim over the top. Sometimes that can actually make them more noticeable. I'm going to be gentle around my eyes because I already put concealer there. And you just want to be gentle around your eyes anyways. So here is a good view of no makeup whatsoever. A little bit of concealer. But then this side has the Bye Bye foundation on it. Next, let's go in with that powder. All right, I've got my brush, got my powder. We're just gonna do some swirling here. Ooh, and this brush was totally clean. I just cleaned my brushes so you can see just how much pigment is on that. And we're gonna go on the side. We're gonna tap a little. And we're gonna go on the side that doesn't have anything. Oh, can you see it? Oh, I see it. We're gonna swirl. And be gentle. It feels really light, whereas this side of my face still feels a little bit damp. Or, you know, just like, you know, because I just put that foundation on. This side doesn't feel like I have anything right now, so I like that. I'm a fan of very light feeling makeup that still gives me good coverage. Okay. All right, so when we're looking at it, when I feel it, it feels really light. It feels lighter than the side that I had the foundation on. Coverage-wise, the foundation part has got more coverage, I think. You see the difference? All right, now we're gonna go in on the other side and use it as they direct in the video. Oh my gosh, there is so much fallout. Like as I'm just swirling here, it's a, oh my gosh, it's a, you should see my pants. Oh my gosh, I'll show you in a second. Okay, but let's just go in. We're gonna swirl. Oh, you can see the difference. You see the difference? There is for sure a difference. Okay. So it definitely adds, I mean, this makes it much more of a fuller coverage kind of look. You can tell it's pretty thick there. I'm not sure that I'm loving it. I can see some texture already. Do you see it? Make like some little, I think when I layer it up, it just feels more textury. I'm gonna wear it for a while and I'll come back on and show you because that is something that I just feel like needs to be explored further. We need to let it sort of set in and we'll see. Can you see it? I'm not sure. Check a look. Take a look at what's happening down here with the fallout. Here's what my pants look like right now. So when I said there's a lot of fallout, I was not kidding. All right, I've also put on some blush and some contour just to sort of mimic the way that I would typically wear foundation or just wear my makeup throughout the day. So we're gonna give it a little bit of time and I'm gonna circle back and we'll see how this stuff wears on each side. I'll be right back. All right, it's been a few hours, so let's do a little zoom in here. This is the side with the foundation and the powder. And this is the side with just the powder. We're gonna zoom in on those little eye creases. Okay, final thoughts. So, not my favorite IT Cosmetics product. In my opinion, I mean, it went on nice and smooth. The fallout was horrific. It was all over my pants. I'm surprised I didn't have it all over my shirt. I would be very careful if you use this though, like the fallout is intense. Also, I feel like it increased like the visibility of my skin texture. It didn't get into or like stay in those creases and those wrinkles. Like it didn't look really bad and or like build up in the creases and the wrinkles, but it did really show a lot of my skin texture. Now that could be because it's a full coverage type of powder. It's not for me. I would not recommend this particular product. I definitely love this Bye Bye foundation. If you like a powder foundation, I would recommend their Celebration foundation. I've done a review on this product as well. I will link it below. I'll throw it up in the cards so you can see it there. I think this product is a lot better than this. Like I would almost, if I want a full coverage, I would more so consider layering their Bye Bye foundation with the Celebration foundation if you want like even more coverage. I'm just not a fan of this. I really feel like it increased the texture or the look of the texture on my face. So, womp womp, but kind of want to make sure I give you like a really true review on those products. It's sad because I love IT Cosmetics and there's only like a few other products that I haven't really loved, but most of them I do, but just not that one. So that's what I have for today. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you wear this product differently. On the side of my face where I just have the powder, I would consider wearing it like that. But again, I still feel like this option, the Celebration foundation, is still a better option than that powder. But if you like that one and maybe there's like a different way to wear it or a different technique, like let me know in the comments below. I really hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications. That way you never miss an upload, and I will see you next time. Later.